I always think there's more work that can be done when it comes to mental health. It's important that we talk, we converse, and we help people that feel as though they're isolated and they're on their own. It's a topic and a subject that people talk about but not in depth, and that's something that I think we can all change and work on. In the future, I would like to see more people talking openly about mental health. You know, companies helping their workers, social media companies helping their users, because that is a big problem for me. Social media really can add to mental health problems. So maybe there's a section on the app that has mental health help or support, maybe even support groups to help people. I think the more aware we are, the better we could all be when it comes to mental health. My work life is very busy, and I try to find balance by listening to music, maybe dancing, going for a walk or a run, talking. I talk a lot to my friends, my boyfriend, my family, because when you talk to people, it feels like a big weight has been lifted off your shoulders, and it's so much easier to move forward. So yeah, I talk a lot anyway for work, but if I'm not working and I feel sad or depressed, I always find someone to talk to, because it just helps me.